So we are still on the top 5 WAEC practical mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, the first one we did was arithmetic error. The second one that we did was bullet reading errors, and then the next one now is concordance error. Now, what does concordance mean? Concordance simply means that yes, when you are doing your calculation for your volume of acid used, the difference there for the first titer, second titer, and third titer must not exceed 0.10 centimeter cube. Yeah, it can also be 0.20 centimeter cube, but the best one to use is 0.10 centimeter cube. Now, okay, looking at this now, the first error here is, you can see this person omitted the volume of pipette used. You must signify the volume of pipette used. You must write it down for every practical. 25 centimeter cube. Though we have a pipette that is 20 centimeter cube, but the most common pipette is 25 centimeter cube. So this person omitted it, meaning that yes, that's -2. And then going back to this now, if you look at this 19.00 and then 18.00. Now 18.00 minus 19.00, that will give us 1.00, way bigger than the normal value of 0.10. Now if you look at the difference between this and this, second titer and third titer, that is 19.30 minus 18.00, that will give 1.30 centimeter cube. Wow, that's way too bigger and higher than that 0.10. And then if you look at this also, if you look at this third titer and first titer, you see the difference is 0.30, which is just a little bit higher and is not concordance at all. So all these red pens signify that yes, they are not concordance value. That's an error. We are still on the top 5 WAEC practical mistakes and how to avoid them. Now, okay, you can see the use of pencil. If you look at this rough titer, you can see the use of pencil wrong. When you use pencil, that is malpractice. The examiner, the person that wants to mark your paper, we assume that yes, you want to perform malpractice, and then you can see -2 for each of them. That's -6. And then the next one, if you look at the first titer for the volume of acid, you can see 19. Initially, person wrote 19.40, and then notice that he has done a mistake. That's arithmetic mistake, and then the person make an alteration and wrote 8, or the person came below and wrote 19.80. That's even -4. That's -4 for this, because it is assumed that yes, the student want to perform malpractice. He or she have seen copied someone that has written the writing and then decided to just do what? To alter it. And then the next one, the second titer, you can see for the final reading it was 29.00, and then malpractice, I'm very sure the person changed it to 29.10. That attracts -4 mark. And then if you look at the second titer, the volume of acid, there is no mark for that. Why? Because the person omitted the calculation. The best thing for the person to do was just to minus this and this. And even look at the third titer, person omitted the volume of acid used for the third titer, and then no mark is awarded for that. And look at it, the person even went ahead and calculated the average volume of acid used without the value for the volume of acid used for second titer, and that for third titer. How come? So you can see this red mark signify that yes, this is actually wrong. All these red marks, they are all wrong. So no use of pencil, omission of any value of any box, and then alteration of values must be avoided.